Here's how you can start posting YouTube Shorts. If you're just getting started on YouTube Shorts and you don't know what they are, they're basically a vertical format video and they can be anywhere from 3 seconds to 59 seconds long. The concept around it is to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. So the features are very similar where you can just swipe up to view other videos, you can like, comment and subscribe to other channels. To start creating your YouTube Shorts, let's head over to the YouTube app. So to create a YouTube Shorts, it's pretty simple. Just click on the plus icon in the middle bottom screen and then click upload video. So you could either record a video like a story or upload something from your camera roll. You can also do basic edits in YouTube Shorts like trimming your video. If you have multiple videos selected, you can cut them up and rearrange them, and you can also add a basic filter. Once you're happy, just press next and then you are on your upload page. From here, just add all the details you would, like your title, description and tags. It is recommended that you use hashtag shorts in either your title or your description to qualify for a shorts. But once you've done all of that, you're pretty much good to go and just press upload and your YouTube Shorts has now been uploaded. So there you go guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick YouTube Shorts tutorial. If you did like it, do leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you in the next video.